Hello everyone and welcome back to NotesNaka. Today is day 22 of the lead coding challenge. 23 of the lead coding challenge, and for today's problem we have interval list intersection. So what we have to do in this problem is we will be given two lists A and B, and inside that we will be given pairs, that is the coordinates, and we find out the intersection between them. So the intersection between 0, 2 and 1, 5 will be 1, 2. And then again 5, 10 and 1, 2, it will be 5, 5. We will take the boundary elements as well. So let's check out the algorithm on pen and paper and then we will get back to the code. For today's problem, what we have to do is we will be given two lists and we have to find the intersection between them. Now what intersection means is if we have 0, 2 and 1, 5, what is the part that is common in both of them? That is 1, 2. And how do we find that? Well, I have made a graph and I will explain you through this graph. Now we have 0 to 2, so 0 to 2 A, and B is 1 to 5. Sorry, this will not be here, it starts from here, 1 to 5. So we have 0 to 2 and 1 to 5. So what is the overlapping part? Now let's fill the overlapping part. This entire part is overlapping. So we have this. After that we have 5, 10 and 8, 12. 5 to 10 and 8 to 12. Now the thing over here is the boundary element will also be considered as intersection. So one intersection can be 5 to 5. One will be 1 to 2, 5 to 5. And another will be, this is an intersection. So another intersection is 8 to 10. And after that, if we look, we have another intersection over here. So we have one intersection up till here. So this is 15 to, we can see 23. This is 15 to 23. So we have one intersection 15 to 23. After that we have one boundary intersection here, which is 24 to 25, and another boundary intersection here, that is 25 to 25. So what are our intersections? Our intersections will be 1 to 2. Then after that we have 5 to 5. Then we have 8 to 10. Then we have 15 to 23. And then we have 24 to 24, and then we have 25 to 25. So this is the list that our answer will be, and we have to return this list. Now the way to do this question is, if we observe closely, what we have to do is for each intersection, for each of the pairs given to us, for the first pair, for this first element we have to find the maximum. So the maximum is 1, and for this we have to find the minimum. So the minimum is 2. So our first intersection comes out to be maximum of this and then minimum of this, which is 2. Now for the next interval we have to check if it is a boundary element or not. So for that what we will do is find out whichever from these two is smaller. To find out the smaller, we will compare the last two elements, and whichever is smaller we will increment that count, and we will go to the next one, and we will not go to the next for this. So after calculating the smaller one, we will go to the next one for the smaller one, and then after that we will repeat the entire process again, and for this and this we will find out the boundary element. So for that what we will find out the interval. So 5 and 1 will be compared. So whatever is maximum will be taken from this two, and maximum is 5, and 5 and 10 whatever the minimum is, that will be taken. So 5. So this will be our next answer. And after that what we do is for both of this we will check which one is smaller. So 5 and 10 will be compared, and this comes out to be smaller. So this one will be incremented and we will come here, and then we will repeat the same process again and again, and we will get the answer. Now let's check out the code. I hope you understood the basic algorithm. Now this is the code. What I have done is first initialize the answer. This is my main function, and then I have made two functions to help me solve the question. So first I have made I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0. I will be representing this list and j will be representing this list. So and then after that what I do is I iterate till I is not less than the size of a and j is also less than the size of j. That means till I reaches the end and till j reaches the end. And if someone reaches the end before the other, then there cannot be any more intersections. So we will just stop there. And after going inside, I will first check if ai and bj are intersecting or not. So I have made a function of intersect vector int a and b. Now I have one vector this and this is another vector. So one vector will contain 0, 2 and another will contain 1, 5. And these are my conditions for checking the interval. If any one of them returns true, then I will return true, otherwise false. And if this becomes true, then we go ahead and do this thing. What we do is inside our vector, we will make a vector of temp and put our maximum of AI0, PJ0, what we discussed. We will take the maximum of the first level and then minimum of the second level, and then we will push it into our answer. And after that what we do is we will check which one of the pair is small. For that I have made a function less, and in this I will check if a of I is less than b of I or not. Whichever is less will be incremented, its I will be incremented, and we will go on to the next pair for that list. Now in this less function we have again we have sent ai and bj. That means we will have our entire 0, 2 and 1, 2 inside it. And after getting that, we will check the second column, and after comparing the second column we will decide if I should be incremented or j should be incremented. And then again this entire process will be done, and it will be done until this condition is violated. And at the end we just return answer, and that's it for the code. If we run it, we can see this is our answer and it has also been accepted. So I hope you understood this question, and I hope my explanation was clear enough. If you did like this video, then give us a thumbs up, also subscribe to our channel, and I will see you again tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye bye.